up? It's Elaine. Today I am going to do a makeup look using this Etude leather shop play color eyes. And I actually got this a few months ago back in fall when it came out. I'll show you guys how it looks like. See, I still have the package on because I just, this is how it looks like in the front. And if I open it, it looks like this. It's very fall color, very like a brick, orange, brown kind of colors. And I love that because that is my daily colors. So I felt like this would be a great palette for me to use every day and it wouldn't be a waste of my money. So let's get started with this makeup. For my foundation, I am going to use this Misha. I used this one before, like a few years ago, and it was really good. So I got it again. Wow, with that one pump, I literally did like half of my face already. That's what I love about this. I like using cushion foundations because I don't need to wet my sponges before. And it's just so much faster, Bring it a little bit to my neck too. All right. Next, I'm gonna use Art Class for my bronzer. I'm just gonna mix the whole thing. And then boom. So I do the hardest right here. So a lot of the product goes right here in the cheekbones. And then with the axis, I just naturally go down so that I look a little bit slimmer. And then the other side. Next, my forehead and my temple. And then I'm just gonna do my jawline as well. I do it in like a circle motion, so it's like more natural instead of just going like back and forth like this. All right, next I am going to use this color right here in the middle for my nose. I call this part of my nose like a little ball, and I'm gonna cut it in half. You know how this side is like poking out, this side is straight? Yeah, I'm gonna make the other side like that too. I like my nose right now, yeah. And then again, I go into my nose bridge. Just in that square area, and then naturally just bring it down. I don't like to do it too much right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the side. And then I like to do a little bridge in the middle. For those that watch my makeup videos a lot, I don't really like to put that much highlighter, right? But nowadays, I just put no highlighter. I don't know. Some might think like, what the heck? But yeah. The glow will come out eventually, sooner or later, so I'll just let it be natural. Next, I'm gonna use this blush. And then I don't like when blush is too close to like my dark circles and my nose. So I'm gonna kind of avoid that. And I don't like when it goes lower than like my nose tip. So I'm gonna avoid right here and then do it here. I'm kind of gonna connect it to my temple and like my bronzer. I don't know why. I'm just feeling that today. Do you see the color? It's so pretty. Oh, that's kind of a lot of blush, but I like it like that. I'll leave it like that. Next, we're finally gonna draw our eyebrows because I need it ASAP. Just brush them a little bit and then fill it in. And then the top outline after. Here's my outline. I'm just gonna fill it in now. It's darker in real life, but it looks so brown here. Okay, it's okay. And then I'll do the other side. All right, I got both sides now. I look a little bit more normal. Let me just put a little bit of Jastic because my lips are kind of dry. I heard you, Vaseline. And finally, it's time for my eyes. I always wonder why Korean people always use these because they were like so whack when I had them when I was like a little kid, like those toy makeup that I had. I was like, yo, this sucks. But when I touched these ones, I was shocked. it's like really soft, so I really want to try using these, so I'm gonna try using these. I'm also gonna take the layer out for the mirror. So this color really catches my eye, this yellow too, this orange, and this color as well. I feel like everything else kind of like a transition color. So let me try to create a look right now. Kind of want to go a little bit darker. For my base right here as a transition color, I'm going to put this one right here, Iteri Kajuk. And it is a pretty bright orange. I'm going to get a fluffy blush, fluffy blush, fluffy brush. And I'm going to kind of tap it very lightly all over my eye. I hope it's not too dark. Just kind of all over, except for the brow bone. Skip that part. And with this pencil brush, I am going to mix this yellow and that same orange I just put all over. It's such a pretty color. And then the sides, I'm just not gonna stop here, but I'm gonna bring it down a little bit and blend it a little. I actually really like this color in the bottom, so I'm gonna do that same thing into my eyelid. Only in the, you know the drill. Just to the point where it shows 1 to 2 millimeter when you open your eyes. Wow, this is very like orange. Make sure the front is visible. The front also has to be 1 to 2 millimeters, okay? I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there is a huge difference. Wow, this is really pigmented. I don't know if you could tell, but wow. All right, that is done. Wait, I forgot to use these. Should I use it right now? Yeah, I will use it right now. I'm gonna use classic brown, this one right here. Whoa! Well, because it's not fluffing everywhere, it has good control. I don't really know if I want that right now. But let me just do it evenly on the side because I don't want it to look different. Okay, that's how it is. It's very like, bam, just there, like not blended. So let me get another brush. And then blend that child. Oh. Much better. Do you see the difference? Here and here. This is like very, this is like, So it's really like orangey right now. So I want to add a little bit of gold. So I'm going to add this one called Gold Buckle. I think this is going to work well for glitters. So I'll just use them for glitters. Just in the middle for that reflection. Wait, this glitter is so pretty. Do you see that glow? Do you see what I see? And for my inner corner, I am going to put this one right here, the shiniest one called 비즈 장식. Ah, it looks so cute already. Look, it's so cute. Wait, this glitter is so pretty. Oh, it got so shiny. My eyes got so shiny. Do you see that? Okay, this. I don't know if I will ever use this again. But this will be inside right here. I am done with the eyeshadows. I hate this glow right here every single day. So I am going to put my sebum powder. Instead of eyeliner and mascara, I'm just gonna put falsies today. I'm gonna go a little bit more dramatic because my eyeshadow is really high up today. I feel like it will look a little bit better. I'm gonna get these lashes out and just put glue on them. This one is for my left eye, so I am going to curl my lashes for the left eye. Get this ready. Ow! That probably traumatized so many of you guys, huh? Yeah, okay. Pinching. Now I'll grab it with the tweezer and I'm gonna apply from the middle first. And then I'm gonna connect the back. And then connect the front. And then my other side. Ta! Now I am going to get this Etude and apply to my bottom lashes, you know, because I have literally no bottom lashes. So having this much upper lashes and having no bottom lashes is not balancing, y'all. Okay, that's how it's looking. That's so a little bit of lashes, but it's okay. Do you guys see, guys? My eyes look so big. I like. Oh my gosh, I realized I put too much powder. My eyebrows got white. It's like green right now. Okay, let me fix that. And also I'm gonna apply mascara to my top lashes and kind of put my fake and the real together. So that's all for my eye makeup. Now I'm gonna put some lip. So I'm thinking either this nude color or like kind of like orange color. I'm really debating. So this is how the colors look like. Hey, what about both, right? Both. What about both? Yes. Let me just put this all over. Whoa, do you see the color difference already? And then, oh wait, this color is so pretty already like this. Should I just leave it like this, guys? A little bit. Okay, that didn't hurt much, right? I'll just leave it like this. So this is the end of my makeup tutorial using the leather shop from Etude House. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!